Hello friends, I'm Sajjad, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to take you behind the scenes of one of the promotional videos I created and review the lighting setup together. So, let's get started. The first scene I want to work on the lighting for is this one. In this frame, the model is in the center of the image, and we want to simulate the feeling of a sunny day in our picture. The light I've chosen for this scene is a 500-watt light from the brand Nanlite, specifically the FC-500B. This light is perfect for locations with plenty of natural light, like this setup. Along with this powerful light, I'm using a Nanlite projector lens with a 36-degree angle. I want to simulate the shape of a window behind the subject using this light and lens, and as a result, I'll use this shape. I adjust the focus of the window shape to create a more realistic effect. And in the end, this becomes the final frame. It's amazing. Now for the second light, we need to create an ambient light because the shape we've created behind our subject feels a bit empty and needs an ambient light next to it. For this, I'm again using a FC-500B light from Nanlite. This time, I'm using a Fresnel as the modifier. The Fresnel helps me direct the light toward the subject with great intensity, making it resemble sunlight. I can also zoom the Fresnel, allowing me to focus my light more tightly or wider on my subject. You can do this without adding a Fresnel, but the Fresnel helps better simulate the window light. Finally, I position it at the angle of the window light relative to the back of the subject and match its Kelvin temperature to that of the window light. To be more certain, I cover the natural light with a curtain so that the lighting in my location doesn't change with the sunlight. Now, with the addition of this light, we can fully see its impact on our model. As a result, this is the final output, which I really like. Now it's time to light our subject and actually add the key light to our image. For this light, I'm using a video light FS-300C from Nanlite, along with a 60 cm parabolic modifier. I position it toward the subject. The key light fully illuminates our subject and creates a more natural feel in the image. To enhance our frame, I'm using two small but effective video lights called Lito Light from Nanlite, and I place them behind the subject. So far, 80% of our lighting is complete, but I plan to add a bit of fog to the image to showcase the ambient lights more. For this, I use a fog machine and fill my location with fog. The fog we've added is quite visible. and I need to reduce its density and make it smoother so that when this happens, our image feels more natural. After adding the fog to our image, you can see that the lights are much more visible than before. For example, our backlight located on the left side of the subject is glowing in the air, so we need to adjust the lights again. I reduced the intensity of my light, and the halo created in the air after the adjustment gives us the feeling of light coming through the window into the location. Finally, the work is done, and now we can start our filming. I've included the link to the output of this video in the description so you can see the final result.